audio traders, S&P 500 and Dow exited corrections territory last week against the background of rebounding global markets buoyed by Fed Chair Powell's comments. The Federal Reserve has the ability to patient on monetary policy. The S&P 500 rebounded 2.5%, while the ICE US dollar index lost 0.5%. All 5 major stock indexes ended sharply higher. Nikkei and Hang Seng lead the gains. They railed 4.1%. Out of 6 major currency pairs, only the euro and Swiss franc reversed previous week's dynamics against the US dollar, while the rand fluctuation narrowed. The Canadian dollar remained the leader in terms of percentage change. It gained 1.6% against the US dollar. Quarterly results in U.S. companies started releasing corporate reports this week will be the major factor in pricing further advances for U.S. stock market. Reports by world's biggest bank, including Citigroup, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo and Goldman Sachs, will open the earnings session, and the UK Parliament's vote on Brexit deal on Tuesday will set the direction for pound movements this week. Happy trading, see you next week.